Turn off the TV, please.
You must be relieved. What's wrong?
Hey, Isaac, what's going on? Long to see you. We are young family. Hi, Lisa D. How are you? Guys, long time, long time. I had to show my face. Long time. Okay. All things, Anna, how are you? Good to see you guys. I know I have been away for a while. Um, Work, tired, everything. But it's good. Cooking with Miss Brown. What's up? But guys, it's good to see you. It's always nice to see you. Let me turn my laptop on. Isaac, what's going on? I know you miss me at work, Isaac. Soon see you. Oh, Teflon is live. I'm sorry, Teflon. I didn't know you were live. It's kind of. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's see who's here. So, young family, how is the baby doing? Growing my own. Hi, how are you? Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome. Of course, I know you missed that great cooking too, but I'm gonna make you breakfast for this morning and bring over, okay? Isaac.
But here's the good news. Betty, you're gonna have
So, guys, I'm baking today, and I just decided to say, it's a good opportunity for me to turn my camera on. So, one enjoying one another and keep it going. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna be a little bit noisy with my cake mix, with my mixer, but I guess people know how it is. All right. So I'm here, Miss Brown. What's up? What's the baby name? Kia. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the baby name right. Young family. It's a Kia, because I'm so bad at names. But guys, remember to like up the live. I have 6 people watching and only have 3 thumbs up. Remember to give me that touch, that like button, people. Share me out if you can. Right? And like up. Put some thumbs up there. All right? So I'm gonna turn my mixer on. It might make noise, but I guess you'll understand, right? I'm softening up my butter. So I'm not really gonna explain too much about the baking, because I'm just here, just basically not ready to teach you the baking, but to kind of chit chat with you guys, you know. So I'm softening up my butter. You wanna mix the butter and sugar. Yeah, see who is here. Yeah. Yes, Miss Brown. Welcome everyone. Kind of a little bit foggy. My camera looks foggy. Look at Isaac. One of my member. Big up yourself, Isaac. Just a supporter, but he's one of my member. Me Monique. All right, Miss Brown, your friend is back. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna put some sugar in this thing. I'm doing a 2 pound mixture right now, you know. Miss Brown, what's up? You baking? Like these things so big they can't hold. I hope it's not too noisy for you guys. Who is here? Who is here? Let's see who's here. Growing my own. Hi, growing my own. Tara Blogs. How are you doing, my friend? Blessing to you. It's okay. The mixer is okay, Miss Brown. Hi, Cubstan. How are you? Nice to see you. Thanks for coming in. Long time, Cubstan. Long time I haven't been on this camera. But so today I was baking today. Let turn this off a little bit. So guys, I decided to bake. I wasn't planning on baking, honestly. Not last Thanksgiving, I bake a lot. And what go on clubs then? I love your language. Everything I go on good, man. Everything is okay. Yeah. So last year I baked a lot of cake for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, and this year I was hiding away from that baking. But few of the people who I sold the cake to last year is keep bugging cake, cake, cake. So I decided that I'll do something today, and because I really don't like the winter time because when winter comes and here the night comes so fast. I leave work at 5:30, sometimes 6 o'clock. By the time I get out, it's so dark and I start getting, whoa, it's so late. I can't do anything. So that get into that kind of mood when in winter time. So I really didn't want to bake, but because they asked him and they were my customer last year and the year before, I just said, you know what, let me do something. Nice t-shirt. Thanks, Cubs then. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. So I decided that I'll bake today. So that's why and I said this is a good opportunity for me to open my camera since I haven't seen my friends for a long time. So that's where I'm at today. Right. Thank you, Cubs then. Thank you guys. Thanks everyone for coming in. Remember to like me up, share me out if you can while I turn back my mixer. So I squeeze my flour, you know? Because I normally sieve the flour when I'm baking and I just let it air, you know? And I'm doing a 2 pound mixer. It's like I put so much flour in here. The sieve not working so fast. The sieve overcrowded. All right. I did everything late. Everything late today. This year I didn't put any fruits Oh, because I said I'm not baking. All right, that's good. Yeah, who's here? So, guys, remember, like up there live. Give me some more thumbs up. I like how comes in language. Wagwan, you good? So come then I see how you catch our language. That you need to give me a few of yours. Straight to the process. Yeah, that exactly, Miss Brown. That's what I did. I go straight to the process because look, I have a whole bucket pan going. Look at this. I have a whole bucket pan of fruit because what I did is I just steam it and put it in the blender. So that see, I have a lot, but I steam it and I steam it from last night, from the night before, and it smells good. Smell really good. Oh, this food getting smell really nice. Straight to the process. Sometimes I say, you know, so I have a lot of fruit. Straight to the process, Miss Brown. Straight to the process. Really? Like it, I just straight it. Yep. So that's what's going on down here. S&G family in the place. Wagwan, you good? Beckel, how are you? Mega, mega, mega shout out to you. Good to see you. How is it going in your neck of the woods? Good? What's up, Joe? Good. Me just a bake up two little fruit cake in the place. I know you always say speak of the devil, Miss Brown, and he up here. Yeah, man, everything good. Good, guys. Really nice to see you guys. It's really nice to be back on the YouTube, right? I mean, I missed out for a while. I haven't been doing any live or anything like that. So I miss you guys. So that's why I come to say hello. Hope all is doing well. And you know, next week is Thanksgiving over here, right? Next week, Thursday. So, yeah, man, send the address. So guys, thumbs up, okay? Thumbs me up and share me. I'll get some more people over here because I really didn't schedule. I just come on. So most probably nobody don't really know I'm on because I didn't schedule it. I just turned the camera on. Right. Thank you, Cousin. I'll definitely wait. The Taylor's family, how are you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you, Taylor. Okay, too much talking going on Saturday.
Okay? Thanks. I need you to stay here with Hopefully, and I need you to lock this place up. Seriously. Sweetie, you need to tell someone.
Nico, Leo, what crisis?
Hey, Blue Jeans, welcome, welcome, Wagwan. You good? I'm using constant words. Yeah, everyone is doing good over here. Thank you guys. Thank you for the lovely thumbs up. Thank you, Taylor's family, for sharing me out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, man, they bake the Jamaican food cake, the rum cake, or whatever we call it, the black cake. I usually call it the food cake a long time in Jamaica, but since I come to America, oh my God, look at them super chat. Well, thanks for the super chat. Thank you, Blue Cheese. Thank you so much. And I can always count on you to give me some super chat. Love the super chat. Thank you, Cubs. I like it. I love that. Thank you. Where's the pork rib steak or roast chicken? I'm allergic to cake or baked stuff. Really? So, okay. And we're going to do some jerk pork one of these days and invite you over. Okay, Blue Jeans? I'm sorry that you're allergic to cake or baked stuff. Oh my God, I'm so sorry you're allergic. But thank you so much for that super chat. Chef Andre, how are you doing? Don't break dance. I'm gonna have to get a lesson to do that break dance. But thank you so much for the super chat. Really appreciate it, Blue Jeans. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Cubs Dan. Thank you so much. Chef Andre, what's going on? What's up with you? Oh, plain cake for you, SNG. Really? No fruit cake and some carrot cake. Well, I won't be eating a lot of this cake, and a lot won't be eating in this house, as they don't like a lot neither. So, guys, feel free if you want to be a member of this channel, right? Don't be shy, okay? So it's creaming the sugar and the butter, you know. And thank God for cake mixer. This, because when I was growing up, I used to use a wooden spoon. In the beginning, when we were growing up, I never have any mixer like this. Then afterward, we got some hand one. But in the beginning, we didn't have any, and it takes a lot of elbow grease to rub up that sugar. And the sugar that I have now is very fine. The one we had before weren't very fine. And it takes a lot to rub up that sugar to bake. Me and my poor sister Sharon, the older one, we were the one who baking the cake all the time, and it's a lot of mixing. But thank God for cake. This one now we can talk and mix, and and no pressure. It does its thing. Yes, guys. Hear what comes and say. Please remember to thumbs up and share the stream if you can. Really appreciate it. Thank you all for coming. Thank you, Ben. Thank you again, Blue Jeans, for that super chat. Thank everyone for being here. Thank you, Taylor family, for sharing me out. And guys, remember you can join my membership. I'm waiting about my ingredients here that I'll be using. So Miss Brown, I heard you said there weren't no red label wine back home in Jamaica. So see what I'm using here? Fairbanks. I really good. I haven't used ginger wine in not ginger wine, red label wine in such a long time since I'm here. I've been using Fairbanks. I used ginger wine when I just first came here, but when I found out about Fairbanks, that's what I've been using, and it's really good. You know. Welcome, welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. It's nice. It's really refreshing to see you for such a long time. And the Taylor's family, I'm loving it. What are you loving? Oh, you don't really eat raisins? Oh. You're not eating the raisins. You're not going to see it none at all, S&G. It's going to last. You're not going to see it in the cake unless you're allergic to it. But if you're not allergic to it, you really not seeing it because I have it blend out. So you won't see the raisin. You will know that the fruity tastes kind of fruity, but you won't see the raisin. Yeah, you won't see it. So guys, welcome again, everyone, for showing up, even on such short notice. Hey, Ma. Say hi to the people, then. Look up there.
Oh.
Say hi, Miss Brown.
Hi, Miss Brown. Sky wants to say hi.
Hi, Sky.
And I answer.
It's getting to there. It's getting there. Juba Bruce, how are you? Wagwan. Who is Janet Jackson? Who is Janet Jackson, do jeans? Juba, what's going on? How are you doing? Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Chill or less even. It's one thing about being a crime buff. You learn to never leave a paper.
Oh, that was my granddaughter, Leah. Okay. Nice to know, Juba. I'm so happy you're all doing well. So, guys, I'm trying to make a menu for Thanksgiving. I'll be cooking. So, I'm kind of thinking about the menu because I don't really like too much oxtail, you know. I don't really cook oxtail like on Thanksgiving. But I'm thinking about what I'm gonna be cooking. It's definitely gonna be some salmon fish on the menu. Definitely gonna be the turkey, of course, and some ham. And I'm thinking, what else am I gonna be doing? And I'm gonna do quite a few sides, like some green beans, some colored green, potato salad, some candied sweet potato, and I'm still thinking what else. Even though I'm not gonna have a lot of guests, but I still like to have, different dishes, not just one and two. Oh yes, Taylor's family. Well, I guess you said you like plain cake, and this one is fruit. Yes. Okay, we're gonna FedEx to Jamaica. Yes. Money, money. Money. Flour the fat. Grease the chickens. Grease them and then flour them. No, they have to cut first. Why they're not dry? Okay, guys, welcome again. Welcome again. With cake is getting cream, the sugar, and the flour, and the sugar and the butter. Sorry, sorry. Me know if you get a song from me here, it's not
And that's very real. No one's innocent.
Yeah, but this time. Angie Hart, how are you, my love? Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you doing, Angie? How is the shopping going? heat it up a little bit. Now, no, butter. You want more butter? No, put a lot of butter. That's not good enough. You don't want them burnt. Put butter on the table over there. Put extra butter. Creases in the creases and all the way around. You need extra butter, use butter. Hi Angie, darling, how are you? Miss Brown, this is too loud now too. Still loud. I want to simmer it down a little bit. It's burning me. Oh, nice to know. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm doing good. I'm just a little bit tired as usual, but I'm here and it's nice seeing you guys. So, and I'm baking today. So I'm baking some fruit cake. So that's what I'm doing right now, Angie. Yeah. So guys, remember to like up the live, share me out if you can, get some more people over here. Cause I mean, I didn't schedule my live. I just turned on the camera. I'm gonna start putting in the eggs, you know, cause one at a time, one at a time. Taking out the eyes, some of them. That's me always feel like it's not all that important, you know. By the time you put the fruits and the wine and the fruits and I use some mixed peel in my fruits, so that's it. You don't taste no raw acidity. So even if you didn't get all the egg eye, that's okay. I'm using for baking a 2 pound cake, and I like to use 1 dozen eggs. Some people use less, and that's okay. I like to use a dozen. A dozen large egg, and these eggs not large, they look small. They call them large, but they don't look large. Yeah, let's see who is here. Okay, Miss Brown, I see you. I hear you. And we can turn up the heat. Oh, Miss Brown is saying hi, Sasha. Don't say hi. Miss Brown is saying hi. Hi, Miss Brown. Hi, everyone. I usually bake at night before when I come from work tired. So I usually bake at night and I usually bake at night when I come home. And then I can't go to bed because I have to be watching the cake. So I decide to do it today since I have no work. Mm-mm. Really? You have to do it. Hmm? Really? I know, right? Hey, Fatima, how are you? Good to see you. How are you enjoying your days off from work? Right, Fatima? I'm baking cake, but guess what? I'm not going to be at your location next week unless I would bring you a slice. I'm going to be at North. Coming to the city with Stacy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Polar Flex, how are you? Welcome, 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 everyone. Fatima, nice to see you, my friend. going on in here and some hair dressing going on in here. Sasha here doing Ashani's hair. There's a lot of stuff going on in here right now. A lot of stuff. Me paper then. Yeah, that is the end of it. That's the end of the egg. So guys, welcome again. Who is here? Welcome, welcome. Ola Flex, hi. Cooking with Miss Brown. Yeah, cooling with Miss Brown. Cooling with Miss Brown Sugar. Ola Flex. Guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys so much for um those thumbs up. Let me thumbs myself up and let me share me out. No, I don't know if it's so quiet. I think I could share my own self out. Share. Won't allow me. Guys, what's up? What's up? Share me out, guys. All right, this look like it's getting there. So I'm gonna put some baking powder into the flour before I forget. I did it before. Good job. That's it. Out of the way. Baking powder, and I'm gonna put some cinnamon. cinnamon, some baked, some what do you make? Nutmeg. Nutmeg have a way to taste bitter if you overdo it. See? Honey, something mixed up. This is not all the time. Look at this. What happened to this one? Honey, honey, it's, where's the other 10 inch? It's two 10 inch. Where's the other one? I showed you where's the other one. How much 10 inch you did? You know how to. Please look. Right where? Sorry, Sasha, go get the stuff and put it up because I've ordered for 2 10 inch. And Ashwani, I told you take out what you want to take out. I said 2 10 inch. All you need to leave is a 12 inch. Yeah, welcome back, Tara. What is that? I said no, it's 3 10 inch, isn't it? Yeah, those two are 10 inch. 3 10 inch, Shahaz. Becca, thanks for hanging out with me all this time. I think we can close this baby down now. Look. Oh, don't do that. I think I can close this down. I'm gonna put it's overflowing. Are you baking? Are you baker ready? No, you're a baker lady. Okay, so that's my butter and egg and sugar.
I know Hiram was missing here for the sanitation department.
So actually you have to cut for 2 10 inch. Everything half and half. And you know what to do, you know? Just like I've been talking and I don't like to talk. All right. Hey Tara, you bake already?
That's what this is about. The band. So you could start off with Vanetta. They have a happy little life together.
You can't tell anyone about this. No Veronica, no one. Because if I go down, your father goes down. And you should agree.
That's why
Oh, not yet. Okay. Cool. You have time. Thanks for the share out, Tara. Thank you, thank you. And somebody else, SNG, share me out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for the share out. Really appreciate it, okay? Really appreciate you sharing me out. Oh, she was on 10 minutes ago. 4 hours.
You want to know who really did it?
Yeah, forget it. It's Riverdale.
All right, so let me do some stuff over here.
Riverdale is like bizarre town.
All of these stuff cut down and the run is right, right?
No one ever
Yeah, sometimes people are still just living their lives, doing things as ordinary as getting married. We can do it in a big way.
When we finish the taste to make sure it's okay. Now we build back up the flavor, right? We put more stuff in. This, no cheese. Now we put a lot of vanilla. So that's almost everything in. We're gonna get some fruits in here. Sorry for the noise, guys, if you're here.
But a small. Actually, we got some news.
Guys, we promised it was close time for the get some fruits, man. I have a lot. I have a lot of fruits. Thanks to Monique to grind them up for me. Thanks to Miss Monique. Who is here? Thank you, guys. Thank you. 3 people watching still. Thank you. I'll add a little fruits to this. All right, so we're almost finished. You know, when you get to this point, you're almost finished. Shawnee, you cut Oh Jesus, what is open? Somebody open this for me. I'm weak. Ouch, this girl is weak. Thanks. All right. So this is our flour and our spices and our
Buyer who has a reputation for being dangerous
baking powder.
is on their way to Riverdale, and they're looking to get paid back in full for the drugs they are not getting. Who's this buyer? We don't need to know. We're sending an interview.
All right.
How much money are we talking about, Mrs. Lodge?
Flour and I need another one.
No, but you are.
What's the knife?
Furthermore, a successfully balanced our duties as captain of the Riverbed team and president of the student body was maintaining a 4.2 GPA, perfect attendance, and achieving an almost perfect safety score. For these reasons, I think
Thank you so much, Stacy.
Not to mention,
How are you doing? How is the farming going on there? What's your farming right now?
most recently,
What you have in the farm?
It's time to diversify our student body with women from outside the alumni pool.
this is a union initiative.
Right, so, but what we do, don't you agree?
You take up, let me back that one.
Absolutely. Just imagining which four
Let
women
me
in
back
particular
this. You can use one to the other. I know. That's what I do.
Let me ask you something. Cadet Keller, meeting with the Naval Academy recruiting officers about
Just swelling in my flour and my fruits right about now, guys.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look on here, say, yeah, you know, use the name of the one who we're gonna know. Me,
Really? It's because of COVID, man. COVID stopped everybody's show.
yes, we're not gonna know what we're going to be easy. No, thinking about it, we're not gonna know because we said quarantine, so we can't go nowhere. We're not gonna know. Then we can't judge them, mama, but you it's so long.
And she was a road test.
Yeah, she go and walk every weekend. She go on Friday. She go and buy and go something.
But they can still carry her out still.
Yeah, so they always watch it.
They can still carry her out.
sliding into my life, but I don't want to be alone.
Yeah, one idea said that much more.
They can still carry her to the supermarket and market.
You call Lisa, our father.
Lisa father there.
Who tell you?
Hi, Cubs then. Thanks for coming back. Thank you so much.
You see her last week?
So this is
She had to be careful.
has a presence on
Monique, you don't doing a live and you have your conversation so much. One down, no conversation around here.
college. She reminded me of certain policy that was designed specifically to keep me from attending. Can't think of anyone else who would stoop so low, Mumsy. Care to explain?
The hallowed halls of Highsmith shall not be polluted by someone of your alignment. You are an aberration.
I'm so sure the online newsletter would be thrilled to profile a twice widowed dominatrix who should ever poison.
But the hefty financial gifts I've bestowed upon them over the years, I doubt they would back another. Except, this is the price of salt. Your presence.
Even this hurting my shoulder. Can you imagine if I had to do this sugar? So guys, I got my flu shot yesterday. It's a good thing I had it in my left arm. So, because the left arm hurting me, it's a good thing I didn't do my right. Everything I do in my left arm. And my left arm is the strongest. Even though I'm right-handed, my left arm is stronger. I carry all my bags on my left side. And I'm a righty. Fruits, guys, galore fruits. A lot of fruit in the cake. It's fruit cake. That's what it is.
Friar Thomas. Congratulations on your upcoming elections. If you wish to live to see this blessed event, you must reunite with your midnight
Last week and it was good.
to complete ascension night. Once and for all.
Maybe I eat one whole cake on my own.
You're too little bit.
And nobody else was eating the last cake.
Yes, yes, yes.
I was eating
And
it.
my art, my one chest, me have one arm, and you hear back from the journey, one card.
Which order you have money?
And one of the guy, one to one.
Well, someone looks like they've been using epaulette to cut around. I'm not trying to carb shame you, Kevin, but whatever's on your mind, it's not worth it. So, tell me, Sizzler, and tell me your tale of woe.
I'm baking this cake with some love in it from all of you guys that are watching me.
We've been having problems.
This, you mean? about cruising. I'm talking about Bumble. Look,
Catch some
I'm
color
sure you
here.
can find a well-adjusted, handsome,
So I use-
fella here.
I like Grace brownie, but it tastes burn in the chicken, in the cake. So I use the Blue Mountain. I don't like how it takes a while to give it a color, so I'm mixing the brownie.
It burns me that there are people
But the
listening to
Grace
this
brownie
show
give a nice color, but
that
it
is
it
anything
burns.
less
It has
than
it too burn when you
rapturous.
eat the cake. You taste that burning taste in it, and I don't want the cake to taste burn. So I'm mixing the brownie
It's not your fault.
with the Grace and the
Your
Blue
aesthetic
Mountain.
may be firmly rooted in the 1950s, but you're a catch in any dome. As for the object of your affection, maybe you just
And this
need
is smelling good right now, guys. Nice smell in the kitchen. I'm gonna taste it. Let's see if I'm getting the right flavor. Yep. You know I like to taste anything I'm cooking, especially like when I'm selling this cake. I have to taste it before because I want to make sure it tastes good to you. You're first judge, you know? You have to pass it first before anybody else can pass it. Can't sell pussy in a bag, you have to know what you're selling, right? Whether you're selling it or you're giving it away for free. Who is here in the place? Okay, Miss Brown, I know how it goes. So guys, if you're here, still here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for sticking here with me. Monique, I don't want too much of your conversation on my thing, you know. Keep it down. I'm turning the television down, it's too high. And I don't want too much of your conversation on my life.
By the way, I respect your decision.
You want to be real or fake? Which one?
Sasha, you didn't just hear me. Hmm?
What the hell were you thinking?
Turn the television down, please.
Imagine working on a mumsy, hopefully with a little
Sasha, again, we're not supposed to have so much talking in the background. You be copyright. That's too loud.
It was a blind item to my phone, and everyone knows I wasn't even
Background is not here.
This is father.
No, turn it down, please. I don't want to hear it.
Get some perspective. Did you know that my uncle hated the fact that I dated girls?
It's the first time I'm having a live on the sun, nothing like Turn it down. Yeah, turn it down. I have not had one in a long time. So it should be my day.
Sorry. I didn't realize. Of course you did. Because you're too busy being Cheryl, causing chaos regardless of consequences.
This is like 3 pounds and I wanted 2 pounds.
You're not going to I never gave you before. Listen to me. Well, I said college was your legacy. Servants for mine.
Let's put everything in there. It's fruit cake. Make the people then taste food in the cake. Don't short change them, right? And the rest of my flour.
Am I interrupted?
She's just practicing. There's a recruiter from Juilliard.
Can take some more brownie.
Nice class this afternoon.
Well, if you like this.
Take some more
I can't even get there.
rose water.
And I just assumed that Sweetie would give me a ride, but you get a chance to ask me.
Sweetie? Wait, are you guys?
No, I edited so that I can focus on my music, which is what I always do.
It smells so good, guys. Smell good.
So that I wish everyone away. And I can't ask my mom for a ride because she doesn't even know.
I wish my kids would want to do this, then I would not have to do it. They're not interested in no cooking.
Plans, which I don't have.
Let me take you.
you see from where you are.
We're done. We're officially done with that, or we're about to have our emails broken, courtesy of whoever this screen provider. Find my liquid funds and props. We're not a quarter.
Trust me, my arm is hurting.
Although
It's a lot to turn. And you can see the fruit in it. And I like when you can see it look lumpy. That's the fruit. Yep, that's good. A little bit more of this. So I didn't. I put a little red white rum in case you're thinking, where is the white rum? In the fruits when I was steaming it. So when the cake finished baked, that's the time I'm gonna pour some more wine and some white rum over it. So when it's hot, so you get the white rum soak into it and not really bake out. All who love rum cake will taste the rum. All the junk, all who are the junker, then will taste the rum. All them drunker, they will taste the rum. Okay, Miss Joel, you look like you got it together right here now. And guys, what's going on? Let me look and see who is here. Still just designing a logo. Okay, S&G, do your thing. We understand. Something coming up? S&G. What time it is now in S&G? Evening time, almost night. Almost night. Back where you are. Welcome, guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Really and truly appreciate you every time. Well, you got it going, Joe. It's going there. Everything is everything right as it is. Well, it tastes good. Everything tastes good. Malia. So we grease the kids grease the pans already and flour them and put parchment paper in. So everything is going good. We're gonna pour them. Let me get these stuff from here. Put them away. We don't want them no more. So, that. So we're good to go. And just a little bit more wine. We're gonna pour this into the thick thing now. Okay, that's good.
Supposed to go down. Shani, this part.
The cut part need to go on at the bottom and put the top, the round part on it. Yeah, you put that part we cut underneath it and then you put the round piece, the bottom piece on it. Shani, help right now. Alright, I'm gonna put some cake into the box. Give me what you have. I want a small pot for this. I'll put a pot on there so the other way. Give me what you got. What is this? Hey, Sasha British, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Season and Purpose, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming. Hey, Sasha British, good to see you, sweetie. How are you doing? And in case you wonder what's going on, because I haven't seen you for a long time, I had to turn my camera on so to get to see you. And I'm baking. Thank you, Seasoned and Purpose. I'm doing a little baking here, so why not do it with you guys? Thank you so much for coming. Thank you all for the thumbs up. Okay. Honey, why are you making it so hard?
It's not.
Give me the one right there. This ready? This ready?
Mommy, don't touch it.
What happened to the one that Shawnee did? Don't worry too much about it. Don't worry too much. No big deal. So guys, I suffer from rush syndrome. I don't know if there's a diagnosis for that, but I'm always rushing. Or when I'm not supposed to be rushing, I'm rushing. I want to get out of that so badly. This door already?
One, this paper.
Put in the money. Yeah, even when I'm not supposed to be rushing, I'm rushing. So I'm trying to cool it down, but it's not working. But honestly, always rushing. Always rushing. Even when I'm not supposed to be rushing, I'm rushing. Now, nowhere going, nobody waiting on me, but I just always rushing.
Ah, we have to wait for him. Who is that?
So, but I'm trying to kind of simmer it down. But sometimes it's just hard, you know.
Here.
Can I get a big one, please? Or two big ones?
See it here. There's so many big ones here.
No.
I don't even know if it's in that yeah, excuse me. Shiny, like that, just slapping in your face and all that.
Money, really money?
Don't show it there online.
No, sir. All Season and Purpose said cooking instructions.
What?
Instruction. That's life in the field. First day today that I have slowed down in a while. Happy to be here. Happy to have you too. I understand sometimes we really have to slow down because we can't continue going at full speed all the time. I know how it feels because I've been through that too. Season. Yeah. You have another big one, funny money, ready one? This one look right at all. You butter this properly. It makes sure you butter
Oh,
properly.
yeah, I think you should need it. I think so.
Why?
Do it for your sake. That makes it.
Yeah, but me not put it there already because I hope you butter it properly. Alright, so I don't have any more to put in anything.
You have two more, but
So listen, this is a sample. Give me a sample.
you have two more buttons.
Yeah, we have to go make another set. Alright, so tell me what you need, what we need now. Tell me something. I want you to scrape this out and put it in the sun. From the tree, this is the sample. Clean out everything here, so I'm set it in the sun. You hear, money? Just put this in a little dish, not in a cake pan, in a dish. That's the sample. So scrape that. Never mix another set, only 1 pound set. Alright, so these. Put that. So guys, we're putting in the first set in the oven. I don't know what that's all. Right. So you butter it properly, right? If you butter it properly, you really need that. You butter it properly. I do not do it right up top. Next time I do the rest, because this not this don't do properly. The paper is too much. Please cut off the edge. Come cut the edge off, please. Not too much. Cut the edge off of these when you put them in the bowl. Shani.
So what do you hear? What do you? We cut them off.
No, this is not what you're waiting on now. I'm waiting on these to put in the bowl. I'm waiting on those. Cut the edge off of those. Go take them up and bring them here. Give it to me.
So let's go and take this.
Okay, Stacey, thank you so much for coming. Thanks for your time here. Appreciate it. Run if you have to run. Understand, okay? Thank you so much. All right, let's just finish yours now, money. What you gonna put that in? The scrape is up. What you gonna put it in? Put one of those like a dish. You don't have to put in a cake thing. I don't want to pull up a little bit too much. Oh, sorry. Watch your back. Watch your back. Oh, my glasses. Oh, it blind me. The smoke blind me. Give me the other one. All right. Can you give me the timer, Ashani? You know where that little white timer is? Where? Oh.
Here.
Come, set for 1 hour. 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Here. How much you do? All right.
You put this in here. Okay?
Find one of them little dish. Here. Wash it and here. Flour or whatever. Oh my God. I'm not baking again now. This is it. Energy though. Watch the Miss Brown is still here. Wagwan. When you baking, Miss Brown? When are you baking? All right. Oh God, money coming. What can you do? How much for somebody got like 3 or 4? It's only 3. So and it's only the fridge. So how much? It's how much box and box. How much you got this one? This short. The butter gonna be short. Talk about more than 3 butter. So So I'm doing another set, another 1 pound set of cake. Because I won't bake any more cake after. This is it. When I can't bake no more. I'm tired. Give me the scissors, please. Scissors, you know what it is? Let me that scissors 1 second. Here's where the scale is. Oh. I can't see. How much this is saying? Oh, cha cha cha.
Someone make three,
Eh?
it's a what, 18 pound?
Huh?
It's a 8 pound?
That's at the 8 inch, yeah.
So you ever use them there?
Yeah.
This
No,
one.
no, we're going to get 2, you know.
Wanna get 2? It's alright. So I'll get 2.
We only get 2. Okay, finish what you're doing, Monique.
Make that up, make it warm, make it kind.
Oh, this week. Okay. But Miss Brown, you don't have to be it this week, neither. Oh, only if you do it for YouTube. Because remember, I'm thinking you don't have Thanksgiving. Because I bake it for Thanksgiving. But for Christmas, you have a whole month. Yeah, but I was thinking, yeah. That's why I was asking her. I was thinking, yeah, she have a bake for Thanksgiving. But I think I said she don't have Thanksgiving. No, you can't grease the way I showed you to do it. No, you just grease it and put that in there. That is not kosher. That's guys, thanks for coming in. Remember to hit that like button. Remember you can share me out because I'll be here for a while. I'm not finished baking yet. Still baking. I just doing another 1 pound mixture. I'm hungry. Anything to eat here? One minute, guys. Excuse me. 1 minute. Just let me put that stuff in the oven and waiting for it to not catch too much now. Scrape this put in there, let it stay in the oven. Just grease me and put little flour in there. Look at the grease there. Yeah, December for Christmas. Definitely. Yeah, definitely. Oh, you know what? Last year, it was easier for me to bake last year because I had 3 days. I took 3 days off from the job just to bake last year. But this year, I wasn't planning, so I didn't take any. Mommy, where's this spoon for this? Hmm? Wow. Sit here. Sorry. Malia. Where you up? Homework? So the cake, one set in the oven, guys. What you looking, Malia? What? She said what? You're happy? Thank you, Cubs, then. Thank you for all your working. Thank you, thank you. When I'm hungry, I only had, what time now it is? I forgot. So I put one set of the cake in. Sardine. Yeah. That's it? No, you can get more. Look.
I mean,
Yeah.
you can't get no more.
You can, let me show you. Use this.
Cause this not gonna make it no difference. I'm telling you.
Then this is gonna make it different. Just watch the things that they say. Please. Here. Here, money. When you finish. I put a pan of water underneath this thing. I'm gonna eat some sardine. Sardine is good, right? You get that omega-3. Your body needs it, so anything in fish is good. Maybe a pot. What is this? No brown bread. too much to turn. If I did 2 pounds and I'm gonna do another 1 pound mix. So that's what the butter here and the butter and the sugar is here now creaming. Okay. Hi baby, you good? Who is here? Right, as I said, the 2 pound mixture is on in the oven. Like, and then I'm doing 1 pound mixture now. I always mix a 3 pound at one time, but now I feel like it's too much to turn, so I didn't want to do it. Sardine and bread with some onion and black pepper. Yay! Sardine and bread. That's what I'm having right now. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna drink my salsa water. Hard to eat bread though. Get that bubble out. We love to eat sardines. To put some speed on this. Toya's Kitchen. How are you? Welcome. Nice to see you. Thanks for coming. Remember to give me the like button when you come in, guys. Share me out if you can. Honey, honey, bring the flour come in the scale there. Bring the scale. I hope you didn't wash this strainer. I never want the strainer wash. You know where it is? Never wash it. Where's how it is? The big one right there. I'm cutting short. I'm just weighing my flour. Need 1 pound of flour, you know? 1 pound. Throw this in on the flour. Hey, Karen. How are you? Motivational, phenomenal motivation. How are you? What's up today? What's going on? This one is gonna be a fast one, you know? I never know how to go mix up again and I put this stuff away. I think I can put the eggs in this now. Keys, Diamond Body, how are you? Oh, I love that body of yours, Diamond Body. Thanks for coming. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm baking. It's a long time I see you. Come bake with me. I'm baking some fruit cake. I put in one batch already and I'm doing another batch. So thanks, hang on here, okay? Just I put some eggs in my too much garbage. We're not having a whole conversation. No, they can pick up all the conversation.
You just can't say it live, that's it.
Really? For your purpose? Let's cut down the conversation, turn on the TV. I don't know why. I haven't had a live for the longest and you guys not the one to respect it. Sasha Gay, tune down now. Sasha Gay, tune down, please. Sasha Gay, tune down, please. You know, I watch the chat, but make up too much talk.
No, that's serious.
You're welcome, kids. Where's the baking powder? Boy, murder. What happened to the light? You can't see any light in the. What happened to the bulbs in here blowing? It blow? What? Where is this not on? Oh yeah. I can't see it in there. After 1 hour. Hmm? What? A dish. Alright. How much is that?
She said she paid $60 last time for that one.
Yeah. Right, so raise.
So I wish you want that to be.
So which is same one. So what you say?
She not said nothing. You didn't ask her what size did she remember.
What did you say?
And I don't
You told her
answer
it's $80
I
now?
don't answer
So
her.
that one is for $80 now. You know what? That's okay for me now. What did you say to her? What was your thing to her? No, what did you text her? Oh, okay. Tell her, say yes, that's a 10-inch and it's $80 now. Oh. If what? Maybe can't hold it at this time. I'm trying to keep it in. Money, keep the conversation with them. So. Try to tell you. All right, now. Okay, I'm just gonna stay right here. Oh, help me out here. What time it is, Nick?
2:37.
Oh my God, it's like I'm doing this all day. Kim said she get turkey. Yeah, I must give her turkey. Look here, 20 voice down there. Right here. I don't want your voice on my thing. Maybe I might get in trouble. It's too small for this. You can't wait to open a restaurant for the buy food from you like only like to buy food at restaurants. Yeah. Like to cook. Everything is restaurant. You can't wait to get so much food and money, you know? Can't wait. All right. Oh, Miss Brown, who's here? Hello. Sorry, we get so caught up in just excuse the manners. But thanks again for being here. Just excuse the manners. Excuse the manners, guys. Just that sometimes you have to concentrate, you know, when you're doing this thing. Blue Mountain, I don't know what color it is. Can't tell. Blue Mountain. It's an ugly shade color. Let's Give me the grace. If I'm gonna make it not so bitterish, it will be good. Cover waste in this thing. Can't afford to waste it. It's still good because the counter is clean. I don't stop wiping it. Monica, help me start this day. My hand hurts. This girl is not strong enough. My hand weak. Help me with this money, please. Or help me fold this, please. See who is here. Hey, Tara, you back in the place? You cooking Thanksgiving dinner, Tara? How is Mr. Jarrett doing? And how you feel, Tara? Are you get back on top since you weren't well the other day? I know it take a while for you to feel back to normal. I know. I was talking to a coworker of mine yesterday, and he had COVID like in the early part when COVID was hot. And he was saying up to yesterday that he still doesn't feel like himself because he could have walked home 1.5 hours from work each evening before COVID, and now he can't even walk a block without feeling tired. So I'm wondering how you're doing. Can you help me, please? My hand hurts. Cover this. Let me this back of the sorry. No, cut it in the middle. Round and cut it in the middle. And scrape the side with it flatten. And cut. Ooh, my back hurts. Kerr and Keys and Miss Brown and Tara, you're here. Thanks. Bring that thumbs up to 30, please. If you didn't give me the thumbs up yet, remember to do so. I know sometimes we forget, because sometimes when I go and leave people place, I forget too, but sometimes I forgot, but then I remember. Especially when you're entering the line, you know. Pass one more of the red layer, the wine from it, not the red layer, the wine, the bottle with the wine. I don't have any red layer. I don't know what red label is in my mind. Mm. This is good. Toast one. It's a lot of fruits. Sure, it's fruity. Look at it. Okay. Don't bring it in case someone. Please tone it down, tone it down. Who's money talking to like about? Who said that? Tell Sky to turn that down around here. Malia, please tell Sky to turn that down. Everybody doing their own thing. Malia, Mal, please tell Sky to turn that down, please. Our son she have around here, so. Turn that down.
Let me see what it says. Daddy texted me, not you. Okay, so go do what he said. We got the car.
What you say, Malia?
Malia care for that.
The one.
Yes, you guys go get something.
Come on in, bring the wine, come please. Honey, bring the wine, please. Can't see, but I get dark. One more, one little bit more. Like when it keep moist. Okay. I don't even understand how we said okay, still doing it.
Okay, go far right.
Just try to make your mind right here so when you're not doing that. Oh, your hair looks so much. You're gonna wash it? Washing your hair today?
Huh?
You're gonna be washing your hair today?
Yes, I want you just. She doesn't want to wash it. Remember the first she washing her hair by herself?
So you can't wash your hair by yourself, Mom?
No.
When I was a child, I used to be so afraid of washing my hair. Hey, put your head down in a base of pan.
Because up to now she sees for her.
I'm not afraid to wash it now because I'm going to hairdresser and bring the head over like this. I would wash it in the shower and wash it. But Boy, when you wanna grow up, brother, everything was different. What a life. Your face turned down in a basin pan. With the soap run down. You run down in it. In your eye. Everything different, man. Anybody who can cook say yes to that? When he was growing up and like in Jamaica and they washing your hair, they put your face down in the basin pan. Your face turned down the base and they washing your hair and all the soap running down in your eyes. Those were the days. All right. I think I got it now. Yes. That's it. One more wash time again, mommy. And then over. Clean up that for me, please. Come on, Leah. Come on, in. What time it is now? How come the clock didn't go yet, Ashani? Not 1 hour yet? I didn't check the time. It's not an hour? I don't want to open the oven and then it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You know, like the cake my father, you saw the oven slam. I slammed the door of the oven. That's gonna fall the cake. If you slam the door so hard, it fall the cake. Hey, Mickey Life, what's going on? How are you? Thanks for coming. How are you doing, my sister? Thanks for coming. Remember to give me that thumbs up, sweetie. Come. What's going on with you, Mickey? What's the plan? What's in the plan? Any guests coming up soon?
How she know it? Don't do that. Don't leave her. She don't know it's that what it means, Maria. You don't know that? No, she don't know that.
Come watch this, please. Take this down from me. Sky, excuse yourself from Tashani. Monique, take this down from me. Are you preparing for Thanksgiving, Mickey Life? You gotta be cooking? Oh my God, such a British. You knew I wasn't making any cooking any food. I was baking cake. So I did a 2-pound mixture and it's in the oven cooking now. And then I had to do another 1 pound. So I'm waiting for the oven, those to come out to put these in the oven. So that's what it is. I need a big oven that can hold everything one time so I don't have to do it twice. But for right now, that's where it is. Right, so this is the 1 pound one. I'm waiting to put this one in the oven. And the 2 pound mixture that I did before, it's in the oven waiting for it to bake. Oven and the bread in the oven, baking, 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 bread in the oven, baking, baking till the morning. If you see my little sister, tell her. That's how it goes. I remember that song. I don't remember it that well. Well, I may wait pan 2 Joe. All right, sweetie, continue waiting, honey. You know your slice gonna be there, right? This song is like this: bread in the oven, baking, 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 bread in the oven, baking, baking till the morning. And if little sister, Wheeler, Wheeler, you see my little sister, Wheeler. Wheeler till the morning. I'm not even sure that's how it is or that's my own version. I have white wine. Oh, sweetie, you have white wine? Oh, okay, that can work, but it's black cake. It would go more with red wine, but if that's what you have, that's what we're gonna have too, right? We ain't go buy nothing. We're gonna use what we got in the house, right? So I could have taken that white wine to do with my turkey, to eat, to drink the turkey dinner. White wine with turkey. You know, white wine goes with white meat. Should have finished already because I need to go to the nail shop. Because if I don't do it today, I'm not gonna get it done again for the rest of this time. We can. I think we can put this up now. I would sleep right now. I feel tired.
Can't hear you, Kurt.
That's an hour past since I put the cake in the oven, but they're not ready yet. And then another 15 minutes. You see, sometimes you don't have to. When the place starts to smell cakey, you know the cake baked. You're supposed to be smelling the cake, then you know it's baked. So try maybe an hour and a half. I don't know. Then I'm gonna have to leave the others and ask someone for watch it because I can't stay. I have to go to the nail shop. All right. Somebody help me put this up on top here, please. When you come, put that this on top of the fridge for me, please. Monique, please help me here. Monique, don't make the people them know that so you know Rudy. Look, calling you 3 times before you move. So I clean this also. Money, put this on the fridge, that please. Yes, Sasha, we're going to use white wine. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm here 2 hours. Oh, maybe I'll be here for another hour. Yeah, I'm on live for 2 hours. Oh, yeah. Oh, SNG, so it was 6:42. I didn't see it. Malia. Not Malia. Money, come now, man. Raheem, come here, please. Did the young lady answer? Thinking about it. Put this on the fridge, that please. I think so. All right. Confirm, give me one. Why just want to give me so much cake?
actually, he was in foster care before, wasn't he?
Yeah, a place called Santa Lucia Shelter.
I know, it's one of the better homes in town.
Ricky said.
This is nice
something
already.
I heard him. Brandon is similar to
I
his
don't can't stand the night.
We've been seeing that more and more. I'm thinking about it. It's every house.
Did he look something like this?
So I know Tuesday evening I'm gonna have to be cooking the oxtail for somebody.
I have some copies of that. Street is that you turned your speakeasy into a casino.
Is that what your spies tell you?
It's actually close to
How so?
Did I make why did I make do I get more of that here? Why always two full? 2 full, 2 half. Why should I make a big cake? I shouldn't make it. I should make a small one.
But if I help you land a snake plant, how about you shoot off something? 5%?
Consider it.
Monique, I don't understand this. Monique, how come this pan never have any paper in it?
It's fine.
These.
So we're gonna put it on.
They have any it didn't have any in the bottom?
Yes, I put at the bottom.
But why what happened to the sides?
This one will have
No, none of these don't have any. These two. Did you butter these though? Oh, mercy. I hope you put pan in the bottom. You put pan in the bottom?
paper was in the
But
bottom.
I don't want it burning.
Cheaper now. Or Wendy's. They don't know where you get this rich thing in your head from.
She rich. What if she you must have she have to have rich?
Mommy.
Yeah, she have to have rich thing in her head.
No, it's
You can't think poor all the time. You have to think rich. Put that in the kitchen. Wash up the This can stay right there, so. Alright, I'm good for going on. Let's see how this is going on around here. I don't want anything burned. They're all big. Wow, they're too big. Let's see what's going on with them. Oops, burning me. Let's see the top ones. Oh, burn it up. Not baking any cake for the family. Family don't care about cake. Every time I bake it, to stay on the table and spoil.
1 year.
Eh?
You lost that 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year it stay on the table for. I didn't remember if I remember say I had this, I would put some cake in a small cake.
No, Mom, it's about stop to it.
Miss Brown!
Yeah, well, I never care about it.
We don't care about cake, we don't just make the cake waste. Money, if you can find a bit of tape and put there, please. Finish wash out those stuff from it, please.
No, you come out of the kitchen.
Alright, we come out the kitchen now.
I'm hungry, and I come out of the kitchen. We have recipe and we do something. I'll touch on my mom, we'll get you a nice chicken.
Four people still in the house. Thanks for waiting. Thanks for watching. The food up there is so good. The restaurant. Which one? The Icon?
You can't cheat everybody today.
No,
You
darling.
cheat
Can't, Nell. Go and make some cooked food.
You can't
I don't eat at restaurant.
And you give me $50
No.
to your children.
No, not to buy food.
Okay. Then
Alright, so can we have it and you don't know what we're getting?
No.
Grandma,
No, not today.
Bring all the girls and come at them and go to their
You know,
family.
the family you don't have nothing like that only people we work in.
Yeah, she only sitting down.
These don't give too much talking. Follow now would have gaita. Too much talking. Ashani.
She not go Jamaica?
All of y'all got to be
She not go no Jamaica. Grandma not go no.
work the way I got to be in the have to go look for your mother before time.
Eh, right, no mama Tony that don't.
That's it, we have room.
Money must want a padlock.
This amount of check too much. Me check.
You have to do that too. You're more chat too much.
You know, in fridge open up everything like that.
Never know that.
I'm saying, how about no one see me do that? American house.
Oh, me? Have no clue what you're talking about.
Yeah, what is it? Sasha Gay, Sasha not going down there?
Yeah, she's not mine.
You don't have a grandmother down there?
Of course.
And uncle and auntie?
From my father, I didn't have no reason to get
You don't have no reason to go because of your grandmother? Yes, so since your father died, you have no reason to go to Jamaica? You don't have no grandmother down there? And she's supposed to remember she's 89 years old.
So, big like say, when really ask me foolishness, you really think that we would go look at grandma? The one that asked me, we see your more wealthy star.
Sasha, we're still alive.
See her, yeah. You are waiting down. Never waiting, sir. You never waiting, sir.
Sasha, money, listen, pick up that box from here so I can't see it. That box with the raisins.
Remember the last time you did that?
Put that towel inside of that cupboard. Hey, hello, over here, everybody. Hello. Guys are just hanging out and waiting for this cake to bake in the oven.
I'm good for America.
And to put the next set in. What time it is, Monique? Monique, what time it is? I need to go to the main show.
11 minutes after.
After what?
3.
Wow.
Now go for us. What do you want to say?
Monique.
You could make some.
Miss Brownie here. I see 3 people hanging on that. Say something if you're here. Oh, you're waiting for your cake, Miss Brown? What do you mean, man? You're not even have to wait. You know you're one sure today. You really never have to wait. You know you're gonna get your cake.
Oh my God!
You're fine?
No.
What time is
No. Actually, you never do this length.
the black one?
And it wasn't this small.
It's small?
I guess so.
That's a lot. Actually, make sure you later you call the father. Make sure you tell the father to send it. Then my little expensive.
I'm to go in
I'm sure you'll take it in the $400 in gone, then down to 600, 700. This is wonderful. You're something else.
just let me know because I'm scared.
Let's not mince words. I like to offer the pretty poisons.
Telling for buy the ticket for
Me?
the father to me really
And I fear that their presence could cost me my business. As well as my sanity. I need muscle to keep them and their cronies out. That's where your pretty poisons come in. What do you say? Oh, I have no boots.
What did you say?
If Captain is in your relationship,
Come on, Kate, let me smell you.
Alright, every man so you money money now. Let me sell. So I want to money, let me sell. No, never find a room. Well, for me, Sasha.
Is that a New Testament?
Because you go to country.
Let me see the Bible, what the Bible look like, money. It's a good Bible. Let's see it. It's a good Bible.
I said you went up in the bag and I said you give me the bag away.
And you never take it out. Brent, let me see it, please.
Two of them are getting
doing the same thing. Yep. It's not bad. It says God is with you every day. Yep, it was worth it. Learning to wait. This is fabulous. That's not a bad one. It's a lot of hope. God will carry you through. Guys, you hear that? These are good book money. This one. God is with you every day. Great topic. What date is today? Oh, it's for when coming money. It's for the 2020 New Testament temple.
Sasha, me I go for you when you don't know
Wendy's.
I know Wendy's can't for belly. No, man, I believe she won't go to again. Okay, Sasha, listen. I think me I buy hair so me I come back. We are the makers in there, and we have the car. So yeah, so they're gonna wait to buy it.
Yes, but we go back.
Dear, stay motivated, Murray. How are you, sweetie? Good to see you.
So we are gonna eat.
Thanks for coming in.
Yeah.
What's in the pot today, sweetie? So there's no pot today. It's cake tins. So I'm baking some fruit cake. You know the Jamaican rum cake, fruit cake, whatever, black cake. Right. So I did a first batch that's almost done in the oven, and then I did another batch that is here waiting for the oven. Right. So yeah, the black cake. Yes, sweetie, it's the black cake. How are you doing? I know you're gonna bake too for Christmas, right? And nice to see you. Haven't seen you for a while because I'm not out there. I see you around, yes, but I mean, I haven't been on my life, so you know. But I've seen you all around. But how are you? Oh, thank you so much. You make my day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I taking some rest. I've been resting a little bit. I mean, I'm working, but I mean, I'm not so much on YouTube, so I'm not really producing any videos. You know, cause my body was kind of so tired, but I'm trying to kind of kick it up now. You know, rest a little bit. I mean, when I leave work in the evening, I don't go on live and stuff like that. I mean, I might go on 1 or 2 live, but I mean, I don't have a live personal, so it kind of sometimes sucks the energy. And I try to build up back some energy, you know. But thank you for coming, okay? Oh, you don't get my notification? Oh, I know it happens, but just always check to see if your notification bell is on. I know sometimes we don't get it, you know. Wow, look at you here.
Mommy.
Here. No, please put that down. Yeah, I took a little break, yes. Break in a sense that, as I said, I wasn't doing well by the time I was sick, and so you know I need to build up that little energy. Cause you know YouTube will really sucks you out, especially when you have another job going to, and then have to come home and do YouTube. It's kind of hard. Where money going? Sorry, darling. Where money going? Where? I would want her to go to the bank, but anyway.
You should ask her to bring the card.
Bring which card? Go to the. No, I don't want to spend my card.
To go to the bank. You say you want to go to the bank.
Yeah, thank you, sweetie. Thanks for you visit too. As soon as I get the chance, I'll be visiting up some of you guys here today. Hey, Spadless Calm, how are you? Yeah, I took a lot of break, but you know what? I had 3 weeks away from work, but I was going to other people's place during my break. I was just not having my stuff, anything, you know. But I have been visiting other people in that 3 weeks when I was off, but I just wasn't doing anything for myself. I'm doing okay now, you know. I'm tired. I'm always tired, so try to build up that energy level, and it's like this. I usually exercise a lot before COVID, and because COVID came and I haven't been exercising that much, kind of suck the energy. You know, you can lose that energy. Before COVID came in our world, yes. Before I haven't had COVID, but before COVID came into our world, I was exercising a lot. I used to go to exercise like 4 times a week or so. But since COVID come, I haven't been exercising like that. Hardly any exercise. So kind of sucks. My energy level was so down, you know. And with the job and coming on YouTube, I'm not getting enough sleep at night because we stay up late on YouTube. So that kind of really did suck out my energy. But now I'm trying to kind of, you know, build back that stamina. Yes, I know. Once you have a job, I guess you can understand, you know, how it is. It's not easy. Not easy when you have to juggle the work and juggle YouTube. Because YouTube on its own is really a full-time job, you know. On its own, it's a full-time job. So when you have to juggle that and your other job and your housework and everything else that goes on in your life, it can be a lot. But we're not giving up, though, you know. We're gonna try fight it through. We're not giving up at all. Yeah, but nice to see you.
Okay. Proud.
Yes, Cutlass. How is everything over there? Yeah, so this cake, it might be ready, almost ready to come out now. So I don't want anything burn. I'm gonna check now. This who talking so loud. Raheem, really? Turn that down. Whose phone is that talking? Conversation. Turn it down. Dad. Come here. Not ready. It's take like a half, 1.5 hours. Nothing burnt. No, it's not ready yet. I don't think it should be smelling it when it's ready. Yes, honey, we have to push. Can't give up, you know? And then say if you want good, you know it's have to run, right? Nothing good come easy.
What exactly is the American dream? For my dad, on the eve of his 50th birthday, the American dream was this: a father, a mother, a son, a daughter, a loyal pal, food on the table. The only thing missing was,
Yep. So we're done. We're taking a little ride.
Where to, Mom?
Well, that's a surprise, baby. I think you're gonna like it. You will, man.
today and start one year and tomorrow.
What are we doing here?
That's an early birthday gift for your dad. I mean, for all of us. Just closed on a few days ago. What? What the hell's else people doing in my house?
Evan,
Mrs. Jones. Are you the anonymous buyer?
Hey, Teflon. Yeah, I noticed you were live. That's okay. I understand. I saw you live. Yeah, so that's okay. How are you? Nice to see you, though. How you do, Teflon? Lots of love, man. Love to you, Teflon.
This is Betty's house.
I just decided that I would just turn my camera on because I didn't schedule anything. I just decided I would put the camera on because I was baking, and since I haven't been here for months, I decided that it would be a good thing to just turn on my camera and say hi while I'm baking. So it's okay you weren't here and you had your own live, but it's good to see you that you come over now. Since the live is finished. Good, man. Good to see ya. It take you this cake take like an hour and a half or so to bake. And an hour and a half to an hour, 35 minutes. So maybe an hour and 15 minutes went by already. So I'm waiting and I have another set to put in. So and I need to go to the nail shop. So I'm gonna be depending on my children, my daughters, not children anymore, they're adults, to see if they'll watch the cake for me and don't let it burn. Because, as soon as 6 o'clock comes, it's night. Oh my God. Thank you, Teflon. Whoa, I'm blushing. Thank you, I'm blushing. You know I'm blushing, right? Thank you. That's the way it should go, right? You should get more and more and not less, right? But I'm blushing, right? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, no, you didn't know I was live. Yeah, I understand because I didn't schedule anything. I just came on. I just was gonna be I'm gonna turn the camera on. So
I was doing pretty good.
yeah, it wasn't planned.
Until a homeless kid stabbed me in my house.
Oh yes, thanks, Stefan. It's true, when you bless it, it shows. And another thing too, I've been resting a little bit because I work hard at the job, and then I'm not too much on YouTube doing my own stuff. I go around now and again to other people's place, but I'm not really doing the physical stuff for myself. So I had to take a little break because I got so tired. Yeah.
Listen, Ross, did you give a price for our board meeting?
Yeah.
Did you give out any others? I had 3, and even a dozen of these Swiss cards. I gave 3 to one.
Yeah, but Miss Brown stepped away a little bit.
Distribute
And she was here all this time.
fanatical players. What truce or no truce? The clock you wound up is still running, Mr. Lodge. There's other players out there biding their time waiting to kill me. I now need to track down. Right. You might be able to help you with that. Well, I briefly distributed for the rocks. My soldiers like to haul in when they drop off some pickups to various hotspots around town. Hotspots? Yes. Where like-minded individuals gather to.
I wasn't on the live for because I haven't done live for a long time. When I set it up, I even forgot. It was like more than halfway into the live, more than an hour or almost 2 hours into the live. I remember I didn't turn on the commercials, the advertisement.
especially next to the stones in the titty. I just opened the locker physically at the end. Do you know what he's looking for?
You'll see it downstairs.
Yep. True, man, it can drain you, man. It can drain you. You know, you go to work right through. 'Cause even though you work for yourself, you leave your house and you go work at your own place, Teflon. And then you stay there all day, and then you have to do YouTube, and then you have to go home to make dinner or go do. You know, it's hard. You like sometimes when you have to go out and do other errands and not, you know, so other lot of things in your life apart from just the YouTube. You know, so it can be worn out. You know, and you don't want to look too worn out on YouTube too. You know, you want to make sure that whoa, you look fresh. You know, you don't want to look haggard all the time you come on. You want to, you know, look too tired and look like what's going on here. At the same time, you want to look fresh. You know, so sometimes you really have to take a little break. You know, some people might need a day, some people might need a week, some people might need a month. But you know, whatever you need, you know, just need to take it. Mm-hmm. Hey, Miss Brown, you're back in the place. You know, you wait for your cake, but me tell you all the time that, you know, your slice is a short slice, right? I just want to get this set out and put the other set in and leave it and go to the nail shop because a nail is a mess. I need to get them done. And if I don't get them done today, because tomorrow is Sunday, it's a no. So Monday when I go to work, it's it. Monday I'm gonna have to go on the road and somebody ordered me. Somebody ordered some fish and oxtail from me. So yes, so I'm gonna have to fry some fish. I'm gonna have to cook some oxtail. So and it's after work. So I don't even know. So Tuesday when I leave work, I'm gonna have to do it. Wednesday I'll be preparing my own food. I'm starting to do my prep for the Thanksgiving on Thursday. So I don't know when I'm really gonna go shopping. Maybe Wednesday I'm gonna go. I don't know. Thinking about it. And I supposed to have gone shopping today, and then I said, okay, I'm baking, so I might go shopping. But I did not have it all calculated properly because I didn't remember that I have to go shop for the oxtail and then cook it on Tuesday for them to have it on Thursday because I didn't want to cook it, put it in their fridge or freezer to have it because I can't make it on Wednesday and I can't make it on Thursday, so I have to do it on Tuesday. So it's kind of gonna be a little rough, so I don't even know how I'm gonna calculate that out. But I'm trying to figure it out. It's not easy. I really didn't want to do it, but because people that did it before and they like it and they expecting asking me to do it again this trip. I mean, it's all about business, yes, but I'm tired. Sometimes when you're tired, the money is not all that important. Sometimes when you're really tired, you know.
It's just since you've been back, you've made it. But some people would call some shade moves. Like Cooper House, foisting the rules on me.
I'm sorry, but why are you so suspicious of me all of a sudden?
Because we haven't had a single conversation since you've been back. Like, I don't know what your plan is. What you're doing here.
It did me good.
I smell the cake now. It's like the baking now because I smell it.
It reminded me of what I didn't see. We had been together. Yes, still here.
You guys don't like fruit cake, Ashani? That's why I'm not baking any cake for the house.
Maybe at a garage.
I don't know, you guys don't care about the cake.
Sounds good.
We made a little one.
The last time I baked, I eat off all of it by myself. And whatever I couldn't eat, it just stay on the table till we throw it away.
House with you forever. I look at this whole thing with you. A chance to be a real family. That's all I want.
I'm trying to find another little tree.
Oh no, that's not true. There is
How often did you hear about Ashani?
Every 2 weeks I would tree.
You're bright, you're boss. You know, you have your own personal hairdresser. They can't afford to do it.
This is our first time that you're doing here. So, and I from September, right? Yeah, it makes it the first time I do work here. No, ever. No, for September. That's for September. For school start. We had to here, November. Wait, November is only
1 month.
No.
Yeah, it's 1 month.
September. Oh, yeah. I guess I must have.
Oh, you kept it long, this strip.
No, she did something else.
Oh,
I have in locks. Then
who put the locks in?
woman.
Okay.
You did help? No, you did her here. And then before that, we have in here. Same thing before that. And then
Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for staying. It's 3 hours. I'm gonna soon gone. As soon as I take the cake out, I'm gonna go. Who is here? 6 people watching. Has come to, according to Teflon, 6 million persons in the house. Thank you so much for coming. Good to see you. Who are you? If you're just stepping in. Thank you, motivated worry. You see that little rest makes a difference, right? Take a little time off makes a difference. Because now when I go home at night, I just go, if I have to make something fast to eat, I do it fast. And I take a shower, I go straight to my bed. I'm so tired and I just go rest. Because before it was on YouTube, and I'm so tired when I go to work. And by the time I come back again, I repeat the process. So it's good to take the break. So thank you guys. Thank you, Maury. Thank you, Teflon.
Some physical rocks jumping spazzed out and people happy all over the place.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I don't think so. No, also, the two. Wait, no. Yes, I just got friends with you. Yeah, I'm from here still. So I've done, no, I did, or times it by two. No, yeah, no, times by two. No, I don't make it.
Or multiply
I've been
them.
thinking about our conversation.
Multiply that.
It's what I considered to
The
be
ratio of the
fair
best.
starting
I multiply it.
Really?
That's more than minimum wage.
Let's see how we stay here. I want to dry to the sponge. Put some more water in. Who's gonna watch? Arshani, you gonna watch the cake for me? More water in the pan underneath to make for sure. This girl is mad. To keep the cake moist, you know, and it burn it dry out. Put back some fresh water. That's the hour and a half. My time I went. So let's see what they're saying here, and before my cake rise, let's slam the door of the look at me mash this up. So what are you doing? It's not baked yet. So tired. Shani, what happened to the sticker? The thing what we used to use to stick the cake. You have any here? Huh? Where you put them? Huh?
I think it's fair.
Huh? What?
Grandma,
Yeah.
I think it's fair.
Or if you finish one whole big pack, I use it. Come on, stop saying that. Say you throw them away. It's a whole pack. We not even use them. How are you supposed to finish?
Oh, yeah. We want to try. Yeah.
I'm good for burning myself up. Trust me. I'm very good at burning myself up. Okay. All right, Teflon, watch the love has come to Love Nice. Watch the love, watch the love, watch the love. Ooh. Put some white rum on the cake, you know. Mix it with the mix it with the port wine. And when you do it when it's hot, it's good, it's soaking. And then I'll come again and wet it. Maybe tomorrow, Monday, I'll wet them again. Well, that's it. You don't need any more. Let's see how I need the table now to put this cake on. Because I can't keep them on the stove. They will get burned. It's in my way now. I can't come out the kitchen and I get burned. Something wrong with me. Always a burn. Burn. Hurt myself all the time. Oh. Sandra Morgan, how are you? Blessing to you, my sister. Good to see you. Thanks for coming in. Yes, Sandra Morgan. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Thanks for showing up. I was waiting to get these out. I know. A blessing to you too. Long time, Sandra, really long time. I was just taking a break and getting some rest, some well-needed rest. Can't see. Oh, Ashani, you can drop the link for me, please. Teflon want me to drop the link. You can drop it? Come, please drop it for me. Eh? You can't drop it on my laptop.
Yes, you can.
When you up there, sir? How? You have to put it on there. How you going to do it on this? Can you do it on this, Ashani? Remember, my laptop is not live now. Huh? So what? Can you do it? Yeah? I can't hear. What? Yes. Where you got enter the studio?
So I can copy the link.
How are you gonna fix it? Hmm? Where you copy it?
The link for the stream, right?
Touch it, let me see.
So what?
So Teflon, see I dropped to the
You're supposed to pin it, right?
Yeah, you can pin it too. You pin it? Huh? Oh, sure, let me come off. Oh.
Remember, you put it on the screen.
Yeah, I want to take it off.
Click on the thing.
It's okay, it's on the screen. You see it? How do I get it off the screen? Press one.
Yeah, see your first comment.
Hmm?
See your first comment.
Yeah, but how do I take it off of this? All right, it's off. Okay, Teflon, the link is on, okay?
You see it out.
Only enter them now. One guess. All right, see you, Teflon.
Hey, Jewel, how you doing? You hearing me?
Yeah, man, loud and clear.
All right. Good
Yeah,
day, good day.
hearing
How
you
you doing?
loud.
How you
Good,
doing?
good,
How you
good.
doing?
Doing very
Yes,
good.
man. You're here making my mouth water with those cakes. Oh, Jesus.
You have to
Man,
get your water and
me
it
no,
just
me no
only stick.
know. No one me come
Oh,
like
you,
me have
go,
to go swim. Me have to go swim
you,
for one.
you better swim. You can't swim?
Me have to go learn to swim, brother. Me I tell you, me I come for one. Trust me. And
Yeah,
them cake
brother.
they look amazing.
Learn to swim, man. Learn to swim and come. But I have one left for
Yes,
you,
man.
okay?
All right.
Yeah, me will
Blessings
definitely
to the
have
chat.
one. Eh?
I wish I could get one. Trust me, I'm not telling a lie.
Me will have one left for you, man.
All right. Blessings
Yeah.
to the
You
chat.
good
Blessings
though?
to the chat. Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Eh?
I am
You
good. I am
good?
great. Yes, man.
Yeah, thank God. Thank God.
Mhm. And
Yeah.
well, I can see that you are good.
Yeah, man, me good, man. Me I take
Yes,
some rest in the place.
yes, fresh
And I
and
think me,
ready.
eh?
You're fresh, looking fresh, like just come. You're like you just come.
Well, yeah, man, not true, man. Me need to stay fresh. Me can't afford to get stale, not true?
For real, for real. Blessings to everybody in the chat. Please remember the thumbs up live, guys, and share it out, please.
Yes, guy. Even though me soon finish though. It's 3 hours me on here now. Because we really never plan
Yeah.
a live, I had to be at the cake. And I say, I might as well turn on my
How about
camera.
it be 4 hours?
Since I haven't seen any, I haven't been on a live for a while.
Yes, man. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong at all. So those all
Yeah.
those cakes are yours are orders from people.
Orders, because I wasn't going to bake. But
Okay.
get orders. Because last year, Thanksgiving, I baked a lot of cake on Christmas.
Oh yeah.
But this year, I was kind of dodging from it.
Mm-hmm.
But people kind of, okay, I want a cake. So I said, no, let me do it.
Yeah. Well, they love it. They just love it.
Yeah, so
Tastes really
they
good.
don't really eat a lot of cake in this house, guys. I don't know, them probably, how much cake we have here, sometimes they just stay here and end up paying no attention to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they just tell me a while ago, if you bake any cake, just bake only a small one for the house. No matter bake no one.
Motivate, big up, motivate, big up.
Yeah, not tell me that not long. More what is that? What is it? What is
Murray,
her name? Eh?
Murray.
No, it's not Murray, the other lady. Moya's
Maya's way.
Moya's way.
Maya's way. Big up, big up.
Moya's
Thank you
way.
everybody for watching.
Welcome, Moya's way. How are you doing?
Yes,
Good
man.
to see you.
Welcome to Julie the Kitchen.
Yes, sweetie. Maybe I've seen Moya's before.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, man.
Yeah. How long
Christmas
you
is
was
here.
online for?
Me? I think it was 3 hours or something like that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, what happening here, Teflon, as 5 o'clock comes, it's darkness. I'm so afraid at this time.
Same thing here. Because
Yeah.
I will look outside. 1 minute is sunny, and then the next minute is pitch night.
Yeah, I go to work in the night, and when I'm coming back, it's night again. I can't deal with it.
Ah, boy.
Hear me, oh my God, late. I'm have to go home, go do something. I have to go home, go do it, and outside dark. It look like 10 o'clock at night. Yeah.
What time is it? What time is it there now? Down here is 3:56.
Where you have the same time.
Okay.
I remember they went back 1 hour back.
Mm-hmm.
It's 1 hour back or 1 hour forward.
I
Yeah, 1 hour
probably back. Yeah.
Yeah. So where are you doing the same time now? Yeah.
The Maya's way said, "I'm good. Just saw your live. Decided to stop. Thanks for having me."
Oh my God, you're so. It's my pleasure. It's always my pleasure to have you. And I'm thanking you so much for coming, Moya's way. It's always my pleasure here, darling.
Yes, man. Blessings and respect to everybody here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So how much cake you bake today?
Oh, 4 and 3, 7.
So, wow, that's a lot.
Yeah. That's not a lot because it's probably short, and I'm thinking, oh God, I don't. If I run out, I bake one for the house, and if in case the
Mm-hmm.
house now mechanicals, me no want to bake again.
Okay. So what you do? You
That's
mix up
a
everything one time?
no. I usually do, but today I decided that I do 2 batches. I do a batch of 2 pound, and then I do another 1 pound batch. I
Okay.
normally do the whole 3 pound one time, but when you turning it around, it's kind of heavy.
Stiff.
When I do
Yeah.
3 pound, it's too much turning. It's heavy when I'm folding in the flour and the fruit. So I decided to do it 2 pound and then do the 1 pound separate.
Okay, you use the standing mixer.
Yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
do the
A lot
standing
easier.
mixer, but when I'm putting the flour and stuff in flour and fruits, I use the wooden spoon.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when
Now,
you put in the flour, you're supposed to mix so much.
no, because remember, so when you put the flour in there, you're not putting it one time. You put in a little bit, it's not all the
Okay.
flour you put in all the time. You're doing it in stages with the fruits.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Understandable. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. Last year, we did bake one fruit cake, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen this year.
Well, if you bake one cake, not too hard, 'cause like maybe just a half pound mixture.
No, when me say one, me did bake about 3 or 4 of them. Yeah, about 3 or 4 of them.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Mm.
But you're not sure. But you
The
have a
first
long
time.
time to think about it, man. You have until Christmas to think about it.
Yeah, yeah, but me no really want to wait until the appointed time because I just want to have that, because it kind of last a while once the rum and the red level one soaking it, it kind of
Yeah, it can
secure.
stay forever. You just continue wetting it.
Okay.
Yeah. But the thing is, last year I had the fruit well soaked for a long time. This time I never soaked any fruit. I just last night and yesterday the evening before I had the fruit. So
Mm-hmm.
I steamed them and then blend it out in the blender and then um put it with the rum and some wine and whatever. But it's still good. But I didn't
Okay.
have it soaked for like 1 year like how I usually have it.
Okay. So when you
As
so all right.
I had a
Well.
jar. I had a jar full with fruits from last year that I had,
Mhm.
and something fall on top of it and break it. So I lose that fruit, and then I never soak anymore.
Oh. So when you're putting your fruits, do you blend them out or you just put them in whole the same way?
No, I blend them. I blend them.
Well, that's why me
I
love
don't
them
put.
too. Me love it when you blend.
Yeah, I
Me
don't
love it
like
when you blend.
the raisins in the cake. Yeah,
Me don't like taste it fruits. I like taste it, but I don't want to feel the chunks. Me like it when it's
exactly.
smooth.
Yes,
Right.
exactly.
You know it's
Yes,
there, but yeah.
right.
Mm.
It must there, but you must not be seeing it.
Right,
Yeah, me
right,
blend.
right.
Yeah, blend it. Not too fine, fine, fine. Sometimes you get away and fine, but I mean, blended enough that you're still not going to see it in the food, but it's not going to be minced out like water.
Right, right, right. Get you. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good to hear you, man.
Yes, man. Send me there, man. You have been supporting me for a long time. So any chance I get, I'm there.
Yeah,
I'm there.
man. Good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Enough love and enough respect. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, thanks.
Mm-hmm. Yes, man.
I'm gonna-
They miss us still, but
Okay.
when I get some time, you can more get more do some more videos.
Say what?
They say we miss you, we miss you. We just want to see some more videos from you when you can.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Yeah, we need to do some video. But some of my things sometimes
Mm-hmm.
is the editing.
Okay.
The editing. But I will try work on something. My daughter probably she was working really hard and she said the work has slowed down, so we might have some
Mm-hmm.
time. So I will try so we can. We are putting the next set of cake now.
Okay. Man, one come out, one go in.
Yeah, no, these are the second set when we just The first
Okay.
set finished now. You see how Auntie Dana cake come all the way over here?
I tell you,
That the Dana cake they're all over.
all over,
Yeah.
all over.
You never try it?
No, I haven't. I haven't, not yet.
Okay.
I haven't. You tried it yet?
No man. Me that's not international, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Me not that curious still, you know.
Exactly, exactly. But I believe say right now the best cake are the one where you make at home because you know what you're putting there,
Exactly.
you know how it's supposed to taste.
Exactly.
So
Me like
yeah, yeah.
make my own. I like even though
Right.
people take mine and stuff, but
Mhm.
I still like love my stuff, you know.
Yes, yes, yes. Trust
And
me,
it's
wish
hard.
you wish me could get
It's
pizza
hard.
right now.
It's hard for me.
I
I don't eat a lot at restaurants, you know.
yeah. You don't. Oh man, you cook better than enough at the restaurant. So me understand.
Yeah, you see,
Me
yeah,
understand.
me not eat a lot at restaurant. Me cook, me like
Mm-hmm.
cook my own food, and it's hard. But honestly, kids will tell you too. Me like do my own stuff, cause even on Thanksgiving and stuff, I had a visitor and she said she wish she was like me. She would have been happy that she's coming home from work and I get dinner to cook.
Mm,
And me can't get used to you cooking for me. Me like things do a certain way. And I say,
right.
cut up some callaloo for me and you cut it different from how me cut it, it kind of give me a little
Mhm.
turn off. You know, if I
Right.
come to
Me
your
understand.
house, if I come to your house, I expect to eat your food because that's how you do your thing. I
Mhm.
understand that. But once
Right.
it's a cooking at my house, I want it done the way I do it.
Yeah. You just like it that way. Okay, me understand.
Yes. But if I come to your house, I'll put up with the way you do it because that's your house and that's how you do it. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Get your man. So like our Thanksgiving is next week. What's the menu? What's the menu looking like?
Yeah, that me I think about it too. Me know I'm going to have the turkey. I'm going to have a ham, and I'm going to have some salmon fish. I always have to have some salmon fish, some turkey. I don't expect to have no oxtail and stuff. I might have curry, but might not 100%
Mm-hmm.
sure. And I'm thinking what else, you know. I still adding what else to it. So I know I'm
You
going to have
can try
side
some
dish
shrimp. You can try some
shrimp.
shrimp.
Hardly anybody eat the shrimp.
Really?
It's mostly me
Wow.
eat it. You know? It's mostly
Okay.
me one that everybody else. Some of them allergic to it. Some of them don't eat it.
Oh, I get you.
Yeah. But I'm thinking maybe a piece of beef, some beef business. I'm not sure.
Mm.
But I'm thinking
Do you
I'm
make
gonna ask them what else, huh?
do you make macaroni and cheese?
Yeah. But I don't know if I'm gonna make any that day. But I know I'm going to do collard green because I'm so much into the vegetable thing. I'm going to do collard green and some green beans, string beans, some
Mm-hmm.
Brussels sprouts and potato salad because they like potato salad. And I have a thing that I make kuga. It's
What
what
is
you
that?
use. You make with pasta, with egg noodles and stuff, and they really like that. Some egg
Okay.
noodles, some sour cream, some cottage cheese, some raisin, some pineapple, crushed pineapple. They like it. Bake it in the
Wow.
oven, and they
Wow.
like that. I know I'm going to
So
do that.
you have to start cook from Wednesday.
I'm at work. Maybe Wednesday night I put the ham in the oven, bake the ham because you can
Mm-hmm.
always bake the ham. And I'm thinking if I want to bake the turkey, so that I don't. Maybe if I have to break the turkey, I just have to put it in the oven, make it warm up a little because it don't need to be hot, you know.
Or the turkey's already come cook.
No, I'm gonna cook it, but I'm just saying if I cook it overnight, the next day it don't have to be hot, hot, hot. I can just put it back in the oven and warm it up.
Right. Right. Right.
I might do that, but I'll do the ham from the night before
You know what? I
and
see
prep
some people
everything.
do. I see some people do for the same time. Them get the turkey what is smoked. So you know you
Oh,
have to take so long to cook.
okay,
I cook
okay.
already.
Oh, so I do it. I'm gonna get the turkey. Cause my daughter told me that I shouldn't buy any cash. She get one for my job, so we're gonna put that one for Briley. I'm gonna put it in a salt and seasoning and stuff that Briley. brine it for
Right.
maybe 2 days. And then
Mhm.
I'm gonna do it like Monday, Tuesday. So Wednesday I'm gonna season it up.
Okay.
Like yeah, Wednesday I'm gonna take it out and season it up. And maybe wake up early Wednesday morning and put it in the oven to bake.
Yeah, man. Sounds
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
You're
So
making any
you
type
see,
of any special? You're making any special juice?
no, maybe we just do some fruit punch.
Some fruit punch. No sorrel.
We're not going, huh?
No sorrel.
Yeah, man. Sorry is always yes. Sorry gonna be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we always have sorry, but just in case somebody wants something else to pick apart from the sorry, we have fruit punch, you know.
You can make me know if you get time. You can make some carrot juice with some beetroot, typical rum in it or
Yeah,
wine in it.
yeah, maybe. It's like it sounds like we have a lot of stuff to do with a little bit of time, you know.
Man, you need a small
Yeah.
army to cook for Thanksgiving. You know.
Eh?
You need a small army to cook in Thanksgiving time.
Yeah. And me always cook it by myself, you know, but
Really?
these,
Wow.
these kids, me always do all of the cooking by myself. Them not like cooking, my kids them not really like cook. But then we do them. One of them we
Okay.
make the macaroni. It's me the potato salad. One of them we make the potato salad. But them not really
Mhm.
like the work of cooking thing, you know.
Oh. Murray, big up yourself. Miss Brown, big up. Blessing to everybody in the building. See me. Guys, remember the thumbs up the live, please.
Yes, guys. If you never do it yet, just do it now, okay? We
Yeah,
take
man.
it late.
Yeah, man.
We take it late. And guys, remember that you can join the membership, you know. Feel free to join the membership. And you can buy me a cup of
Yes,
coffee
man.
too. You know that?
Yes. Yes, guys, join the membership. Guys, join the membership. And Super
Oh
Chat
yeah,
is
I like
active also, guys.
yeah, I like your stuff, Malia. Who bought it? Come here, Malia. Come here. This is Joe. Come here. Come here. Malia, wait. Where you get this? Who gave it to you?
Nobody.
Who's this?
I get.
Whose one is that? You're right. I say you have no stomach. Why do you need that? Look at that little self, though. Who's wearing it too?
Sky.
Oh my God, it look too much.
No waste.
No waste. You eating Teflon? Mm? Teflon you eating? All right. Ashani, you guys finish over there. I need the cake to go on that table. So I think I want to leave and go to the nail shop. And who's gonna
Okay.
want to take it over? No, not today. When you start, when I don't have to talk to you 6 times before you're here. When I talk 1 time and you're here, not 6 times. Yeah. Cake smell good.
You know, you pull all of them, Malia? Yes. You should do that. You put all of them. No, one. All of them I see them. No,
Why you always talking so low, man?
that one's not. You
Money,
pull them all of
money is
them.
the bad trick.
You don't get to fucking movie here.
Which one is your money? Ouch.
The one that you just hold it.
All right, so who you gonna watch the cake, Ashani? So 1 hour is I'm gonna put an hour on it. Timer for 1 hour. I'm not gonna done in 1 hour. The time I finish 1 hour, you set it back to another half an hour.
That's not piece of money, right? No. I have nothing in it.
Yes, Teflon, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
What you eating?
Me? Me not eat nothing.
Oh, you at work?
Yes, I'm at work. I'm gonna be here until 5. I'm going home early tonight because somebody's gonna have a birthday party on the live, so I'm gonna help her out. So I'm gonna go home early, see if I can get myself together before the party.
Okay, who's gonna have the party?
Um, that um one shy baby. Her name is One Shy Baby. Her real name is
One shot
Cheyenne.
baby?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, I don't know
Yes.
that.
Her name is Cheyenne. Her name is
Oh,
her channel
okay.
name is One Shy Baby.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, good. Malia, can I have a nugget, please?
Oh, hold up. There's 4 nuggets. I got
Bring me a nugget, please.
money. Bye.
Yes, yes, yes. Guys, if you don't have Teflon done, you can go check out my channel. Also, guys, I have lots of good things over there. Lots of good things. My name is Teflon Dan, and the channel name is Teflon Dan.
Yes, guys, go love up everybody. I guess everybody have everybody go. I don't see any new faces on the Moya's way I think. Somebody said bye, I didn't see. Oh, Moya's way said bye.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hi, Moya's way, nice to have you. Please come again, probably she left. Thank you for coming. Really appreciate your presence. Why they're so cold, money? Can you just buy them? Cold. Man, what is that you throw in the garbage? So guys, I'm gonna close off. You hear Teflon?
All right, no problem, no problem. You have a wonderful day,
Yeah, guys.
wonderful evening.
No,
All right,
don't go yet. Somebody want to show something.
all right,
I don't know. Don't go yet, guys. I don't
no
know. My
problem.
daughter said hold on. I don't know why. Eh?
Okay.
You know, Aunt Shirley don't want to come to no. Johan, what happened to you? Carpel tunnel. You can wear a band.
Oh,
You know what time you know. So you can't eat.
Who knows? Man?
When you come here, how much you have?
Yo, me not use my hand to count it, bro.
Is it put to you?
Me say me not gonna use my hand.
Man, turn that Sky. Turn that noise down. Here. Oh, they say that they're not interested in any cooking, any food. They're interested in beauty. Okay. So Sasha Gay just finished doing this head. Guys, can
wow,
you see it?
beautiful. Very nice, very nice, beautiful.
Guys, this is Ashawn. This is my granddaughter. She's the one that always video my thing.
Okay, nice.
And yes, Sasha did her here, so she said, "You advertising, guys. This is
Yeah,
her
man, big up,
here." They said
big
that's
up,
what
big
they're
up. Very
interested
nice.
in: beauty and not food.
Yes, big up, big up.
No food. Beauty, no food.
Yes, man.
So, India, stay motivated. More if you're here, thank you so much for coming. The Moya's way left. Teflon blessing all the time. Cooking with
Yeah, man.
Miss Brown. Thank you so much for being
Big
here,
up.
Sandra Morgan. Everybody who's here, and I'm not seeing you anymore. I don't know who's still here, but thank you guys for hanging out with me. Really, really, and truly appreciate it because I know I didn't give any notice. I just turned my camera on, and you guys were here. Love you all. See you soon. And if you're in America and you're gonna have Thanksgiving, I know even if you're not gonna cook, it's gonna be Thanksgiving. I want to wish you blessed Thanksgiving and enjoy your family or whoever you're going to be hanging around with on that day. Stay blessed, stay safe. Remember to cook with love, and I'll see you in my next live or video. Bye. Thanks for
Yes, man.
watching,
Yeah, man.
guys.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Joel. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful
Yes.
evening.
Yes.
Big up to the chat.
Miss
Later,
Brown,
guys.
catch you later, Miss Brown. I'm going to head off to the nail shop because the big girl finger look bad.
All right. Later.
All right, thanks. Sasha, Miss Brown
All
said
right.
great job.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, so see you guys. See you, everyone. Thank you guys so much for coming. Miss Brown, catch you later. Love you. See you later. Bye. All right, Sandra Morgan, take care of yourself, love. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I'll catch you later. I won't make you not see me so long again, okay? All right, take care. Bye. Take care, guys. All right, so I'm gonna get off now and I catch you guys later. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Bye.